For this problem, we're going to look at simplifying an expression that involves exponents. To do this, we're going to use various rules and properties of exponents, as well as some various rules and properties of mathematics in general. So the first thing that I would do in a problem like this is compartmentalize, because there's a lot going on. It can be overwhelming if you look at it that way. But if you compartmentalize the parts and kind of group them together, it makes it easier on the eyes. So the first thing is I always look at the constant terms or the number terms. So we have a -2, a 9, and a +2. We also have some like bases over here on the right-hand side. We have u's. We have some like bases in the v's and like bases in the y's. And so kind of think of those as their own separate problems. So if you group together using the commutative property of multiplication, the -2, the 9, and the +2, you can kind of just rewrite those out front because they're all being multiplied together all in one place. We can also combine the different bases using the properties of exponents. So for instance, we have a v to the -7 and a v to the 6. So we can write that as 1v -7 plus 6. Because remember, when you're multiplying the same base, you can add the exponents. Using the same property, we have y to the 1 and y to the 3. So y to the 1 plus 3. And u to the 5 plus 9, using the same property. So now we can just multiply the 9 times the 2 times the -2. That's going to give us -36. And we can do the addition in the exponents. So v to the -7 plus 6 is -1, v to the -1. Y to the 1 plus 3 is 4. And u to the 5 plus 9 is 14. Now the last thing we need to worry about when simplifying this, we don't want there to be any negative exponents. And here we have a v to the -1. So what we want to do is we want to move that to the denominator. So rewriting this, we have -36, y to the 4, u to the 14, all over v to the 1, or just v. And that's our answer.